Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital files with Dropbox step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your details and set up your new account. Once logged in, look for the Upload button on your home page. Click on the Upload button and select Files from the drop-down menu. Choose the files you want to protect from your computer and click Open to upload them. Once the files are uploaded, hover over the file you wish to secure. Click on the checkbox next to the file, then select the Share button. A dialog box will appear. You can choose to share it or keep it private. For added security, you can password protect your shared link by clicking on Link Settings. Toggle on the option for password. You can also set an expiration date for the link if desired. After adjusting the settings, copy the link to share with others if you chose to. To protect files further, consider using Dropbox File Recovery feature. Navigate to the Events page to monitor any changes or uploads made to your files. Regularly check your account for any suspicious activity. Download the Dropbox app on your mobile device for easy access on the go. Enable two-factor authentication in your account settings to enhance security. Back up your files by syncing your devices with Dropbox. Periodically review your shared files and revoke access if necessary. Remember to keep your password safe and change it regularly. This ensures that your digital files remain secure and protected at all times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.